let me see. That plate is still not empty.
I want to eat something.
The fruit is finished. I gave you. That's enough for now. Can we finish this one, please? We don't put our plate back when it has something in it. Right, Chico? Your mango, apple, cereal is almost finished. Tonight, the one who's going to tell us a story about Little Red Riding Hood will be Chico, okay?
What?
He doesn't have to read, but he can tell the story. Not so.
I can eat.
He can look at the pictures and then he can tell the story. Right?
Once I wanted to there was a little red light. Okay, and the wolf ran and then the mouse was getting the monk was fighting was there and he got a clothes. A wolf was walking. The wolf was walking. I don't know.
How about I'm gonna try probably to tell the story about Little Red Riding Hood without the book. Ready?
Little Red Riding Hood.
Go.
In a faraway house, Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood was holding a basket full of cookies. She said bye to her grandmother and she sick. Then she was worried.
With the sad face.
Then she saw some beautiful flowers and she picked 10. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is a beautiful one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this is a big one. 9, 10. Then Little Red Riding Hood didn't forget that. Then his granny said, "She's Granny." Said bye. After that, she left and Little Red Riding Hood saw some flowers and she got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, these are beautiful ones. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is a big one.
What happened after picking the
9, 10.
flowers? Where did she go?
After picking the flowers,
She went to
she went to the woods.
the granny's house. And
Yeah.
who's there in the granny's house?
My dog. Then there was a wolf behind the woods. Then the wolf.
Hiding behind the tree, right?
Then he said,
Mm.
then the wolf jumped out.
And what did the wolf say to Little Red Riding Hood?
Come here closer. Where does she live? In the faraway woods.
So what did the wolf say? The wolf went.
How about you stay and eat some more then?
Mm.
A big bad wolf.
Mm.
Run! Come it!
Uh,
To the house of the granny!
and who's on the bed of the granny? Chico.
Akali
No. Who was on the bed of granny?
was going to pretend.
You're going to pretend that you are the wolf, okay? That you're the granny. Then I'll be Little Red Riding Hood. Granny, where are you?
I'm here in my bed now.
Oh, Granny. What big ears you have.
So I can hear my grandchild.
Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have.
Eat you!
No.
Then the cut mark.
Okay, bring your plate first in the sink now.
Chico, that's not nice.
Chico, you're not the wolf, anak.
Not really.
Not yet. It's Calvi's turn to tell the story. You have to wait for your turn.
Then not really.
Okay. And then just feed them. Okay. Bring your plate to the kitchen first. Can you bring your plate to the kitchen, please? Thank you, Calvi. Chico, finish your food first and then you can play Wolf and Little Red Riding Hood. Come on.
Let them fool.
No, later. We have to finish now. Sit down. Auntie, you want Auntie to call you? Come and sit. No? Come. Auntie's coming. Auntie's coming. Go sit down.
Not good of mommy.
Have you finished?
Not good of mommy.
Have you finished?
No, auntie.
Don't. Have you finished?
Don't grab it.
Have you finished?
No.
Let me come. Have you finished?
Don't grab it.
Don't shout at Auntie. That's not nice.
No.
Say
Have you
no.
finished?
Not yet. Say
Have you
not yet.
finished?
That's it, auntie.
Back on the chair now. Have you finished?
You want to go outside?
Shout one more time. You want them to scare you?
No.
You
Mom,
want?
let's take a walk with Tumble One.
Have you put it down? Put it back.
Mommy.
You broke yours already.
It's already broke yours. Only one is already fixed. There's mine. Mom, let's go for a walk. I'm going to take a
It's
walk.
raining now.
It's stopped.
Uh-oh. Chico, come and finish your food. We are.
I'm not exercising.
Maybe some mommy getting a little exercise.
Mom, that's not that exercising.
No, I have to exercise. Okay, I will look. I will look. Okay. Or
Bugs.
bags. Are you what? You like the bags I got for you?
Yes.
Which one is for you? The blue one or the yellow one?
The blue one.
Nee. The yellow one. Hug mommy Vicky. I love your hug very much. Oh, can you give me a hug? Oh, I love you. Do you love mama? How big do you love mama? Can you big mama? Give mama a big love? How much do you love mama? Big one or small one?
Big one.
Like this hug?
Yes.
Like this one. I love
Like the mom.
I'll see you later. You wait for me? Okay, I'll carry the yellow bag and the blue bag for Calvi. Okay, you play your maracas first while waiting, okay? Okay, you wait for me. That's a good boy.
So wait for it to come.
Okay. Let me work first and look for money, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, love you. Take care of your sister and take care of your brother. Calvi doesn't go inside people's home, okay? Mag-over naman good na. Dali na lang. Dali na lang. Taba gamay. Ay, saka di ay. Paba. Pangit man. Sana. Oh, again. For you! Pinasak. And bawian muna. And for you. Thank you so much. Oy. Plastic. Ano guys, scripted. That's from Bali. I hope you like it. That's from Bali. Ano mo na medium ba yan?
Pumunta na ako ng
Crop
Bali.
top ni kay Kyle.
Lili, uy, medium. Okay yata ang medium kay Kyle.
Or large.
Ito yung mga mahal ko ng mga staff ni Madam Sheena, guys. Kay Ma'am Sheena yan sila ng mga staff, pero as in, na-develop na lang ako sa kanya later on. Sa kanila later on.
Thank you so much.
Ay, Kosha.
Kasi lagi silang connected.
Kasi lagi silang connected sa mga...
Si Ma'am Princess.
Oh, diba?
Feels like galing ako ng Bali.
Yes! Wag nyo, hindi ko na tularan tong ate ko eh. Wala yung hindi yan siya grateful heart. Uy, nag-upload na ako, girls. Taring ka doon, nag-shower ka sa labas na naka-bathing suit. Ay, malinis man ang kigol mo. Malinis man yung kigol niya. Ako gani, nag-flaunt ako sa mga buko, tsaka sa mga Oh, diba? Wala pa. Sa waterfalls, nakuhaan ba ko mo? Yes, nakuhaan ko yung vlog. As in. Nagbayad si
Bayan, kasi video.
Anak sila mo. Achi, nakadelete yun ko sa wakas. Nanay space akong terabyte. Ang hirap kahit 1 terabyte yung phone mo pero puno pa. I'm ready to go. Ito yung mga benta ng ate ko, guys. Huwag niyong kalimutan, guys, ha. Oh, may mga order. Wow! Kaya pala ayaw niya akong paalisin. Wow!
God, thank you so
Okay.
Aka.
Hope lies in dreams and imagination and in the courage of those who dare to make dreams into reality. By
Wow.
Jonas
That
Brothers.
is
Be a dream catcher.
Yes.
A dream chaser.
Yes, exactly. You catch only, not you chase, okay? The catch love, do not chase love. Ano ba yan? Handmade by the Balinese. Very pretty. You can put on your doorknob
Yes.
or above your bed. Yes.
Mag-dream na ako sa iyo ko yun na. Together.
Hello, pareha pala ka tayo. Kay Rico yan. Nag-print pa pala si Ma'am Shi ng Grabe naman ka, thoughtful. Spell thoughtful.
Dali ang first ako nga print pa abot mata pag-abot niya. Pag first pag si Kyle po si Glingi. Okay na ma'am, ako po si Ana ni rin.
Alam nyo kasi guys, yung mga staff namin, actually more than staff yan sila. They're more like brothers and sisters. So, yun lang.
No, they
Yun
are
lang.
son and daughter.
Okay,
Kung magawas me, ma'am, anak ni mo.
Yun lang guys, tapos na yung plastikanay namin ngayon. Bye guys, love you. Love you, time to work. Te, magpa-check up sa ko, blood test na ako karon. Okay, bye. Wala oy, nasa balay. Wala ta nagkita gabi eh. Oh. Teacher, okay. Magkatulad pala tayo, teacher by profession.
Teacher din.
Yes po. Kababalik lang namin. Ito, benta na naman ako ulit kasi syempre kailangan natin ng money in kapag merong money out.
Money in dapat. Pag may money out, may money in na naman.
Oh. Yes po, we arrived yesterday naman and I received the call this morning. Kaso, pumunta pa ako ng hospital kasi meron po akong follow-up para sa hyperthyroidism ko. So, I was late. Kaya nga eh, totoo. Totoo yan. Pray for me and pray for us.
Sobrang saya ni Mama.
Thank you po, Mama. I love you. Thank you po. Oh, sige po. Walang problema. Wala pong problema. Okay po. Maraming salamat po. Ay. Maraming salamat po, Mama. Love you po.
Mama, nagla-live siya. Mama, nagla-live.
Okay, banggitin ko daw pangalan ni Mama today. Okay, sige po. Banggitin natin. Bye-bye. Love you po. Salamat.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Saya ni
See you soon.
Mama.
Sobra, as in every morning, pagising ko pa lang, tsaka part ka na ng conversation namin. Kasi, sino si... Ay, pinanonood mo. Tapos yan, nanonood na rin kami. So, kilala ka ni mga anak mo. Kaya, ay, Sobrang fun.
Welcome. This is my shop, Mayumi Thailand Closet.
Andito kami because we're having our workshop and concert
Philippine Madrigal.
from the man. So, if you can, and if ever na makakuha ka ng
Ma'am
complete
Adeline.
ticket,
Okay.
Kailan
I'll
Please
sila?
invite me.
you to
Yes.
watch tomorrow, no?
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Saan ang show?
Sa ano, yung The Word. Sa Lord.
Manny Pacquiao
No,
building. I know that one in Heights.
Yun. So,
Yes,
if you can
ganito.
watch, we will be
Yes.
we will be
Mag-concert
having
sila.
our concert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please let me
And
know.
babalik ako kasi bibili daw si Mama ng
Oh,
damit. So, I can't, kasi din ngayon kasi
No,
nagla-live
please don't worry. I'm happy
Ano,
we met.
Ongoing kasi yung workshop namin.
Workshop
So,
nila.
yeah.
Nagsibat
I'll
lang.
come back.
Nagsibat lang eh.
So, kasi gusto ko talaga ito.
No, it's okay. Come
Grabe,
here.
oh my gosh.
Maraming
So,
salamat. Thank you so much.
Sobra. Babalik ako to buy.
Don't worry.
And hopefully you can watch.
Yes.
Yun.
Let me know.
Oo.
Ay, pakasave na lang ako ng number if
Ay,
you want.
sige.
Yeah.
Number
Para
mo.
direct mo na lang ako matawagan.
Ilagay mo na lang kasi maririnig nila. Hindi, joke lang.
Alam naman nila yan eh, pang Gcash. Hi guys, wait lang po.
Grabe, nakikita ko lang to sa... Nakikita lang kita sa vlog.
That is Giselle. Ano pa lang mama?
Emmy.
Mama Emmy. Hello Mama Emmy.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po Mama Emmy sa pagmamahal sa amin tsaka sa mga anak ko. And for sending your daughter to see us.
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law. Mama Emmy, I love you. Stay happy. And maraming salamat. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Sige
So,
po.
I'll come back here.
Yes, please do.
Hopefully,
We are
nandito
open.
ka din later or tomorrow
Maybe
siguro.
on Friday.
On Friday, we're leaving na. Pero,
Ah,
Friday
Thursday
morning,
kasi yung
Okay.
Thursday kasi yung concert
concert.
nila.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
kung
Gabi
Friday
tomorrow.
morning, kasi 11 yung alis namin ng hotel. So,
Hindi
if
na
I can
kaya
get
kasi you have to
na.
be there na around 9 a.m. eh.
Ay, hindi, 11 pa kami aalis ng hotel.
Okay.
Tapos yung
So,
flight
maybe
nila
we'll see.
baka
Kasi
alas 10 pa
Basta
siguro.
I'll call.
Okay then, call me straight. Maraming salamat. I love you. No,
Picture. Take a picture first.
pala.
Picture.
Ito na lang.
Ako din.
Oh, sige, ano kayo, ano?
Wait. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Wait lang
Okay,
guys.
Sumibat kasi
Ano
kami.
muna kami.
Oo.
Picture.
Bill kaya?
Sige. Mayumi. Dadon po na po yung wifi diri para sa mga closing niya.
Yan. Sobrang thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you po. No problem.
Pero
Very
di ba,
small thing to make
patuloy
mama
ka pa namin
happy.
na maraming
Maraming
beses.
salamat sir. Lagi
Thank you,
salamat sir.
thank you. Bibili ka ko mamaya ha.
Silingan man
ba
very
yun? Gone me.
Hans
Ikaw
Gary.
taga Jensen Gate.
Opo.
Ah, okay.
Ako nag-drive.
So balik ka na ng Notre Dame.
Opo.
Ako na, alis na kayo. Malit ka na. Maulan pa.
I'll see you.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, aalis na sana ako para magpatuloy ng aking business. Pero nadaanan ko yung bagong business katabi po ng Mayumi Thailand Closet. Nagbibenta sila ng mga swimwear, dresses at saka kids clothes. And syempre dahil si Mayumi ay lumalaki ng mabilisan, kailangan ko po siyang bilhan ng mga medyo mas malaki ng damit. 4 months si Mayumi guys, pero ang suot niya po to be honest sa inyo 6 to 12 months. So ngayon nakapili ako dito ng kukonting mga damit at saka overall. Ayan, kasi minsan malamig eh. Lalo na pag lumalabas kami pumupunta ng bukid. So nakapili lang ako dito ng konti and then diretso na ako sa work. So mag-shopping muna yung nanay nyo guys. Dahil ano na lang gagawin natin pag walang damit yung mga anak natin. Baka sabihin mga masamang nanay tayo. Alam nyo naman ang world judgmental. So pili lang ako dito and then I'll see you guys on today's episode. Eto guys, ang mga pasalubong ko. Uy, eto kaya ang bestseller nila. Oh, red sa'yo, bagay sa kuko mo, girl. Dan may nakasulat, Bali. Oh, handmade din yan ha. Pinaghirapan ba nila yan kasi mahirap yung shape na ganyan gawin. Pangbukas ng... Pangbukas ng ano, Coke. Oh, bottle. Ang kaya tibalilengos ang giyatag brown, no? Brown. Okay, bigyan natin siya mamaya ng black version. Ayan guys, puntahan ko yung kapatid ko. Dahil bibigay ko yung pasalubong ko para sa kanya. Riyan ko kung gusto niya ba to, hindi ko lang alam. Kasi ito yung pinaka... Abrisis ako, gang. Nandyan si Madam Bibi? Hello. Gang? Asan si Madam Bibi? Hi! Binigyan ko ng pasalubong si Dear.
Ha?
Nang ganito. Wow! Pero red version. Cute, no? Uy, cute kayo. Ang saya-saya. Ang saya ni Dia. Hindi, ang akin is colorful. Bali na Bali. Yan my name. Bali. Mahirap po yan. Nag-effort po yan.
Sa pudog bote.
Grabe wood ka, oy. Opener lang ako ang ma-afford.
I-open.
Katawa agad si Renz. Katawa si Renz. Renz, where you? Ano siya? Love blue.
May nagigitlog.
Yes. Ano lang.
Murag lubot.
Ano pala to, guys? Ayan, guys.
Pampaswerte
Hoy,
to, guys.
in fairness, ito ay isa sa pinaka-bestseller na souvenir sa Bali. Oo, lechon baboy. Sorry, hindi po ako makain ng baboy. Lechon manok na lang. Naday ka dari, girl.
For the
Hi,
work,
girl.
for the tambak-tambak ang work.
For the tambak ang work. Oh my gosh. Kasi yung kanyang trabaho ay mag-encode ng mga stocks ni Madam Tengid sa lahat po ng tindahan. Ngayon dahil absent siya ng 5-6 days, natambakan po siya ng napakaseryosong tambak. So lahat po yan kailangan niyang i-encode. Huwag ka munang gumala, girl.
Pass muna sa gala.
Balot Island next month. And then the next month is Lake Colon. And then the next month is Japan. And then the next month is Mount Apo. Are you ready?
Sana all. Always ready.
Hala, let me see the dresses, B. Wow, so pretty. Ayan, guys. Meron tayong wrap-around pants. Meron tayo ditong, Bali dress. Sobrang pretty ng mga tela nito, guys. Cotton po yan. Ang ganda ng brown. Ang ganda ni brown tsaka ni green. Ang ganda din ni orange. Ari, oh. Kablo ka na yan? Oh. Grabe ang katawa sa virgin. Basta nagkakatawa virgin na. Magkatawa po tabi. Virgin, basta nakakita. Basta magkatawa. Alright. Bye. Enough with the lokohan version. Let's go. Gang lampi. Grabe guys. Kung malalaman nyo lang kung saan ako nanggaling ngayon, masyak talaga kayo dahil ako din nasyak ako. Ilang beses pa kayo yung sinabihan na this year is gonna be spontaneous for me, not planned, blah blah blah. Gagawin ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko based on what my heart tells me more than what other people tells me. And I did something crazy. And I'm going to tell you guys the story mamaya. So ngayon, papasok muna tayo dito sa SM para kumalma ng konti. Kasi yung heartbeat ko parang drums. Heartbeat of a drum. Maulan pa ngayon guys. Kanina pa umuulan. Let's go. Ready, go.
La 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 la.
You be- Show me your maracas. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Did you learn kindness?
La 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 la.
Chico, where's your maracas?
Do 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 do.
Ay, Doobie doobie doo doo.
Wow!
Go look for your maracas.
La 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 la. No no. La 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 la
Show me your bag first.
la la la.
Show me your bag.
La 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 la.
Gabi, where's your bag? Wow. Someone chose Paw Patrol and someone chose who?
Do 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 do.
Rubble.
Mom, bad rubble, bad rubble.
No, don't say that.
What rubble has fun?
Rubble is cute like Chico too. For you, you chose Paw Patrol team, right? All of them are nice. Who's other boy, Auntie? There's another boy.
I put another E.
We already spoke about manners, Calby. I want someone to remove this.
Me first.
Move a little bit
Me.
first.
Me.
One by one. Okay, this one tonight. Alright. Dinosaur stories.
Oh, I can't see.
Wait now, I'm still looking for a story.
Mom, the fastest story.
The what?
The fastest story. Yeah,
Okay.
the fastest.
The Speedy Tail by Velociraptor. Velociraptor are fast dinosaurs. How do you say the name?
Fast.
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
Why do you think? What do you see in the picture?
A 12.
It's like dinosaur, like looks like a bird.
Poop?
What's the color? It's not poop. It's dust.
Oh, yeah. Poop.
Okay. Millions of years ago, there was a velociraptor called Vicky. Vicky is super speedy. Everywhere she went in speed. Go to the left, go to the right, go turn around, go back home. Vicky is very fast. I gotta go, I cannot stop moving, she'd shout, ignoring her baby brothers and sisters as she rushed past them. Where's Vicky? Who is fast?
Yeah.
Oh, one day Vicky's family wanted to go and hunt for food, but no one can find Vicky. Let me see if I can catch her, okay? Said Vicky's friend, Gal. This is Gal. This is the brothers and sisters of Vicky. Gal, Agalimus, was the only dinosaur that is fast enough to keep up with Vicky. Vicky, your family's leaving you. You have to go. But Vicky was running off again. Much later, Vicky finally slowed down and looked around. Uh-oh, the forest was empty. Where's everyone? Vicky said. Now that Vicky started to get worried. Will you get worried if you are alone in the forest? What are you gonna do?
I'm going to stay.
Stay where?
Waiting.
What if I'm not there?
Auntie will be there.
What if Auntie will not be there? What if you're alone like Vicky? What are you gonna do next?
I'll just run away and die if you don't want to see me.
I'm not the one hiding from you. I told you we have to go and you did not listen.
Auntie will stay, so we're going to cook. Know what? We're going to die?
You're not gonna die. They've gone, said an old voice. It's Protoceratops. I saw them go. I think they went that way, said the Triceratops. But Vicky was such in a rush, she did not notice where she was heading. She sped straight into a trap. That sneaky Protoceratops sent Vicky straight over a cliff. Wah! Said Vicky. You won't be eating any of my family tonight, laughed Protoceratops, peering down at Vicky trapped somewhere.
He was
Oh, yeah, because he thinks that Vicky will eat his family, and this is the best friend Gal. As the old dinosaur ambled away, Gal tried to calm Vicky down a bit. Stop flapping your wings, calm down, or else you're gonna fall. Slow down and use your claws to climb up, suggested Gal. Another piece of the cliff broke away as Gal encouraged Vicky to keep climbing slowly and slowly. What do you think happened next?
He fell down.
Do you think he fell or do you think he survived?
He fell.
Let me see. Wow, Vicky went up the cliff and he sped off again. I saw my family. They're in the valley. I need to go. There's a shortcut through here, she yelled, and Vicky ran as fast as she could. But there were very big Tarbosaurus. Ah! Shrieked Vicky, turning around and racing another way. This Tarbosaurus likes to eat the smaller dinosaurs. But as she headed deeper into the jungle, Vicky raced into trouble again. Uh-oh, another trap! Hanging vines and sticky creepers quickly trapped her until she's completely tied up. Do you think she can move? What are you gonna do if it's you trapped?
I'm going to do that.
And you, Chico, what are you going to do if you're trapped?
Not to
What are you gonna do?
trap.
Me, I'll bite them. This one, trap.
I'll bite them too.
Okay. You see?
Slide them, slide
Oh,
them.
who's biting the trap? The best friend. Stop rushing, said the best friend. You're running into trouble every time. Gal helped Vicky escape and led her to the hiding place near the slimy swamp. They were hiding inside. We'll trap the Tarbosaurus in the swamp. Wait, the Tarbosaurus went into the swamp. It's a very sticky mud and they cannot move their feet. Uh-oh. But why? We could just run past them. But we don't want to lead those big dinosaurs straight to our family, right? Said Gal. Oh, right. You're very smart. Both Tarbosaurus were soon totally tied up and stuck into the swamp deeper and deeper and deeper. A few moments later, Vicky and Gal saw their family along the valley. Walk quietly and slowly, said Gal. We don't want to scare any animals anymore. Vicky felt so grateful that he had a best friend, Gal, who helped her in trouble. Being fast is very fun, Vicky told her baby sisters and baby brothers, but it's very important to slow down every once in a while so you don't get into trouble. The end. How about you, Cubby? When you run around the house, what happens? You're trapped somewhere, or you fall, or you sleep, or you bump your head somewhere, or you get hurt. So that's what the dinosaurs were saying. You have to slow down. Yes. How about you, Chico? What happens when you run around the house?
Be trapped.
You'll be trapped.
Yes.
Don't be trapped. Okay, your story is the end.
Mommy, we're opening the door.
Yeah, I was opening it. Kalimutan ko palang gumawa ng episode na sabihan ko, kwentuhan ko kayo kung nasaan ako nang galing. Eto, nasa different date na ako, different setting na. Pero dahil hindi ko natapos yung kwento, ngayon ko na lang ikikwento sa inyo. So on that day guys, na nakita nyo ako na nakapayong, na umuulan, galing po ako noon sa pag-meet ko kay Chito, yung si Chito ng Chit Chat. Alam ko maraming nakakilala sa kanya, especially dito sa Mindanao, no. So magbebenta na sana ako ng gold nung araw na yun guys. Ang nangyari, nakita ko na may shinare si Miss Joselle. Sabi niya, Miss Princess, sali ka na, suportahan ka namin, ganon. Then nakita ko yung date na rin na yun, yung pinaka last, June 26 hanggang 3 p.m. Pag-check ko ng oras guys, 1:30 na. Gusto kong ma-meet din si Chito that time. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinuntahan ko. Basta gusto ko lang siya ma-meet. So, iniwan ko na lang yung gold business guys. Nakalabas na ako ng isang gold para mag-live selling. Sabi ko, alis muna ako ha, umuulan pa. Sabi ko, punta muna ako dun sa Robinson Mall of Jensen kasi nandun daw si Chito para ma-meet ko lang. Hindi ko naintindihan ano para saan yung event nila or what not. Dun ko na nag-gets pagdating ko sa venue. So, to make the long story short, sumakay ako ng tricycle, nakarating ako on time, mga 2:30, sabi ko, nakaabot pa ako, pero pagdating ko guys, demolish na, nag-clean up na sila. So, nagtanong ako dun sa mga staff na may nakasulat na Bisdak 12 na mga t-shirt. Sabi ko, mag-start pa lang po ba yung event or patapos na? Tapos na daw. Sabi nila, ma'am, tapos na po kami kasi wala na, natapos na namin lahat ng mga pumunta, na screening na daw at nagpa-final screening. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung screening. Ang sabi ko, gusto ko lang sabihin yung story ko kasi akala ko for the chit chat interview lang yon, yung mga simpleng interview lang, yung simpleng toka at parang poka-poka lang with Chito. So sabi ko, okay, then nagtanong sila, taga saan ka pala ma'am? So that's how it started. I told them my story, a brief summary of my life story, and I told them I'm a vlogger, ganito ganyan, kung pwede pa ba akong mag-join. So they were very excited kasi sabi ko sa kanila, my story is more focused on women empowerment. So, empowering women talaga yung message ng aking story, sabi ko. So, kinentuhan ko sila, nagtanong sila here and there. So, nag-usap kami, binigyan nila ako ng stickers para at least counted ako on that day. Kahit na sobrang late ko na guys, tapos na sila ng screening, nagpa-final screening na si Chito at that time. So sabi nila, ma'am, maglagay ka na lang ng sticker while we are talking and then fill up ka na lang nitong form, ipahabol na lang namin. So kinabahan na ako guys kasi hindi ko naman alam talaga yung reason ba't ako pumunta doon. Ang gusto ko lang is mag-meet lang talaga kay Chito. So nung okay na, parang okay na lahat, okay na sa mga staff, sabi ng mga staff, okay ma'am, ipa-meet ka na namin kay Chito for the final, ihabol. And then last question nila sa akin guys, ma'am, saan ka nga po na content creator, saan ka nagba-vlog? Sabi ko sa YouTube po. And then nagtanong sila, ilang subscribers ka na ma'am? Then sabi ko, nasa 345,000 na po. And then na-stop sila. So nabigla ako, kinabahan ako ng konti kasi for me, I thought, pasok ako dahil 340,000 yung subscribers. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung mga requirements. And then, nanlumo sila after that shocking phase. Then ako din parang, anong problema? Hindi ko mag-guess. And then, doon nila in-explain sa akin na yung Bisdak 12 pala na event na yon na inorganize ni Chito at ng kanyang team ay para sa mga content creators na merong 100,000 followers or subscribers pababa lamang. So, automatically, ako po ay disqualified. So dahil lang dun sa question na yon, ilan yung followers at nalaman nila na sobra-sobra na ako sa 100,000, automatically disqualified po talaga ako noon. Pero dahil ang bait ng mga staff, ayan, shout out sa inyo lalong-lalo na kay Miss Lorena. Maraming salamat ma'am for welcoming me and for listening to my story kahit saglit lang. Binigyan nila ako ng chance to meet Chito and I got that very short encounter with him. I took selfie photo kasama si Chito. So for me that's enough kasi if it's not for me, it's not for me and that's fine. I'm not going to push for that. I'm just grateful dahil na-meet ko si Chito. I really like him. Kahit first time ko pa siya nakilala guys napapanood ko lang siya sa mga video interviews kasi I find him na parang I'm claiming this for myself hindi ko sinasabing kina-claim namin pareho. Pero I can feel na yung personality niya is very vibrant and fun to be with regardless of all the challenges niya sa buhay. Kasi we don't know the battle of people naman I don't know his battle in life. He doesn't know the battle of my life. Pero he has that kind of personality na it still shines no matter what. It brights up no matter what. And I like that about him. So, to make the long story short, nagpaalam ako kay Chito, nagpaalam ako sa staff, nagpasalamat ako sa kanila, and I had that photo that I will always remember. I'm going to attach that photo right here guys. And kay Miss Lorena naman right here, ayan, thank you po. At yung Bisdak 12, if I'm not mistaken, para po siyang PBB. So they are looking for participants na makakasali. I hope meron pong nakapasa na taga Jensen, and if meron mang taga Jensen na nakapasok, please make us proud, make Jensen proud, make Philippines proud, make yourself proud of course, and influence us the good way. Ayun lang. So yun yung nangyari guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo and let me know what you think about that encounter or about this video or this episode in general, and I'll see you guys on my next episode. Much love from Princess Iga.